What lies are you telling yourself about money? Limiting beliefs can be that little voice in your head that tells you not to do something or holds you back from doing something. At Acquire Wealth Partners, we understand that you have a range of limiting beliefs when it comes to investing or making money. Now, the fact is, these might have come from when you were growing up. It could have been your parents saying things like, money doesn't grow on trees, or rich people must be doing something illegal to make all that money. The fact is, those beliefs get stuck in your unconscious mind and then they start to create behaviors and patterns for you. So one of the best ways that you can start to identify your limiting beliefs is just start with a blank piece of paper and start jotting down all the things you believe about money. Think about the good things, think about the bad things, think about how you feel, think about how you would like to feel, and then just write them down. What you'll see is that you'll have some really supportive beliefs, but you'll also start to see some of the negative limiting beliefs pop out. Once you identify those, that's your first step to making real change. If you're looking for a financial advisor that's going to help you not get stuck in your limiting beliefs, head over to our website and book a call today.